Hey everybody, it's Renee. I am in the middle of doing my food prep. Excuse the hat, but I just got back from the gym. But I'm doing my food prep today versus Sunday like I normally do. And I wanted to share a quick tip with you. It's better to go ahead and prep a bunch of different meals at one time. That way you can have grab and go options all through the week. Right now I'm prepping, excuse me, I'm sorry, I got a bit of a cold. It's 30 degrees outside. I'm prepping my fish. I have whiting and I have tilapia. Tilapia and whiting. I tend to use Bragg liquid aminos because it gives me that soy sauce taste that I like, but it gives me less sodium and 0 calories. I also like to use stuff like Perfect Pinch, the salt-free versions, because that way I can get my seasoning in and I can still have flavor to my food. It's really not that complicated. You go ahead and you season it up, stick it in the oven for about, for me, I believe I like my fish, you know, still slightly flaky. So I tend to stick it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes on broil, and I'm good to go. I would stick it on the grill, but it's 30 degrees outside, so that's not happening today. But I hope this helped you with your food prep. Next up for me will be chopping up my broccoli and my vegetables. Have a great day. Bye.